doing today? I hope you're doing good. I'm also doing good. I hope you're doing great. So today I'll be showing you how I cook my omelette. So let's get to that right away. Guys, you know what? I forgot to buy a few ingredients that are needed for making the omelette. Who does that? You know what?
No, we don't know, Sheila. Please explain. And we still ask the same question.
Who does that? So let's try this tomorrow, and then so sorry guys, I can't do this today. I really wanted to shoot today, so let me try again this tomorrow. And kindly, if you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Just hit on that subscribe button. Kindly hit on that subscribe button, then you're going to be subscribed. And then you can also hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, thank you guys, and have an awesome time. Bye bye, see you tomorrow. Guess who's back? It's me, Sheila. So hello, how are you doing? So I'm back again. I have all the ingredients with me today, so I didn't forget any of the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. I have everything with me now. Yeah, I do have everything with me now. So I'll be cooking with you, and I hope you'll enjoy as I teach you how I cook my omelette. Okay, let's get to it. Thank you.
You're going to need eggs,
I'm using 3 eggs.
coriander, capsicum, tomatoes, onions, salt, and pepper. You're also going to need a huge bowl that you're going to put all the ingredients into. Clean like a whistle. Lol. Add salt just like Salt Bay. I now have all the ingredients in the huge bowl. So that's how it looks like. Let's get to mixing. 2 minutes later.
So thank you guys for watching. That's all I'm going to be showing you today. See you on my next one. And then if you're not subscribed, kindly do consider subscribing. Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon. Bye. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, then notification bell to be notified anytime I have a new video. Thank you and bye-bye.